Hey guys, so we have here the Cafe de Chateau stovetop espresso maker, and we're gonna make some delicious espresso coffee right now. This one is very sleek looking. It's got this glass opening at the top so you can easily see what's going on in there, and it comes with this great scooper spoon here for measurements that can easily close your back by just clipping it to the back over here. First, let's ground up some coffee by just adding some coffee in here. Now let's ground it up. Pretty good ground up coffee here. Let's put it in the coffee maker. Let's go see how we're gonna do that. So first thing we're gonna do is open up this over here, and we are gonna take it apart. You are going to see that this over here is where you're gonna put the coffee, and here is where you're gonna put the water. So let's pour in the water over here. I'm gonna do it about 3/4 of the way up. Here, we're going to put this in here and grab the scooper. We always make a little bit of a mess, no big deal. All right, so let's close it up. See that it's actually coming up through there and giving that foam, which means freshness in here. And as we get our coffee, looks beautiful here. And here is the actual espresso pouring into the cup here, and then I'm gonna make a little frothy one too. So here is my husband's espresso right here, which he absolutely loves. And then here is my milky frothy espresso. Do it about halfway. I grabbed the milk that I frothed. It did go down a little bit, so I'm gonna refroth it a little bit here. Okay, and then just pour it right over my coffee, and voila, enjoy.